Good morning. So we already had breakfast. Now we're going to head out to Hurricane Ridge, which is a place that we actually stayed at this place where we are right now when we were like in like 2007-ish. So that was like 10 years ago. So I would have been like eight-ish, something like that. And so I remember doing some of this stuff, but we're gonna do a bunch of the stuff that we did before. So yeah, we're heading up to Hurricane Ridge, which we've been to before, but I'm stoked to go again because I don't really remember it that much. But it's a big mountain and there's possibly snow up there, so that makes me happy because snow is amazing. So the place we were gonna go is closed because of avalanches warnings. So I think now we're gonna go to a waterfall or something.
And there's a bear in here.
There's a bear in here? Where's the bear?
Sounds like fun, Kayla.
It's a big bear. It's bigger than Grandpa. We're on a wilderness adventure. Shh, the animals are close. Oh, it's an elk. Look at it. It's so majestic. You can almost reach out and touch it. But don't touch it. Okay, well, that was a great adventure. Good thing there's no scary animals in the woods at all, because I would be very scared.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Look what movie we got.
I'm not gonna watch it.
You're not gonna watch it? Why? It's such a good movie. It's got Spencer in it.
You don't even know.
It's got Spencer in it. It's a good movie. I am so stoked to see it. Like, super stoked to see it. This lighting is always super yellow in the bedroom. That's pretty much all for today. We watched God's Not Dead 2, or we watched the first half of it. And it was really good so far. That's pretty much all. I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, that kind of stuff down below. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Peace.